Welcome to our channel Food Hive and let's prepare something yummy.
Today we are going to prepare vanilla custard with jelly. Note down the ingredients needed. First we will make jelly. You can also use instant jelly packet. Follow instructions given in packet. Take a vessel and add 1 cup of china grass, 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now boil it in medium flame until all gets dissolves. Take 1 teaspoon of water and add very little food color in it. Pour it into bowl. Here we have used red and green color. Now add hot china grass mixture into color bowls. Now let it cool for few hours until it forms jelly. Take out the different color jelly from bowl and shred it in different plates. Now keep it aside cool. Now we are going to make custard milk. Take half liter of milk in a vessel and start heating and stirring. Take 1 cup of mild hot milk and add 2 tablespoons of custard powder in it. And mix it well to form slurry. Now add 5 to 6 teaspoons of sugar and mix it. Now once milk gets boil, lower the flame and add prepared cup of custard slurry slowly and stirring it continuously. Stir it continuously and remove from flame when custard milk thickens. Now once custard milk gets to room temperature, chill it in fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Now take chilled custard milk in serving bowl and garnish it with shredded jelly on top. Vanilla custard with jelly is ready to serve chilled. Enjoy this refreshing dessert in hot summer.
Tell us in comments if you liked our recipes, and for more awesome recipes from Food Hive, please subscribe, like and share.